Hey everybody, sorry it's been a minute, but I've been sick, so I've been just kind of relaxing at home. But the Pacific Ring of Fire is erupting all over the place. We're going to play a video by Steve Ram. Shout out to Steve Ram. Go to his page, show him the love, give him the like and the subscribe. This is a reaction to his video. Another earthquake and more volcanoes erupting.
As the Ring of Fire is erupting, take a look at the latest headlines with me. Coming up today, August 23rd, 2025. You can see here 6.0 magnitude earthquake hits El Salvador. Here's another one. Magnitude 6.0 earthquake strikes off the coast of El Salvador. Also, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupts, creating a lava fountain. They're saying this is currently shooting over 100 feet into the air. Dramatic moment. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano shoots lava into the sky in an extraordinary display. And the United States,
forgot that.
Quaking yet again all over. Several earthquakes shake South Carolina.
Look at that, that's crazy.
You see August 23rd, 2025, and also a string of overnight.
So all these earthquakes and volcanoes, every time an earthquake, a volcano happens, and it's all along the Ring of Fire. How long do you think that's gonna happen before Yellowstone goes boom? Because each one of these things are weakening it, I'm sure. That and or Mount St. Helens. This is, yeah.
Earthquakes in Greenwood County. And you can see here the USGS reports a third earthquake in less than 24 hours in deep East Texas. Texas being hit with earthquakes as well. You can see here also an earthquake of
I mean, Texas. How many earthquakes do you hear about in Texas?
magnitude 5.4 strikes in Indonesia. This coming out.
Oh, I don't know why that pixelated. Hold on. Sometimes it does that. I don't know why.
Place as well. You can see here also an earthquake.
Stop. Sorry about that, guys. Had to check on the snake. He would not go from mice to rats. So I got to go to the store tomorrow. We got to pick him up some frozen mice because he will still not move to snakes. He's stubborn. Anyway, so all these earthquakes are going on. Let's go on. But once the earthquake happened,
and then also take a look here. You can see the Pacific Ring of Fire has just been lighting up.
Look at that.
Volcanoes, tectonic
That
movement.
look at all the look at that.
Today coming out right here in blue in El Salvador. So there is a lot.
So how long do we think that'll hold up before Yellowstone, the super volcano, decides enough is enough, or that its structure was weakened enough? I mean, just saying.
As we are seeing the world trembling, shaking with earthquakes at this time, absolutely incredible.
I wish it would stop pixelating.
In El Salvador. So there is a lot unfolding as we are seeing the world trembling, shaking with earthquakes at this time. Absolutely incredible. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now we saw.
And again, shout out to Steve Ram. Show him the love.
There's some new discoveries. They believe that some of the tectonic plate movement and the shifts that are happening are as a result of the sun, coronal mass ejections, solar flares. And they're saying right now.
Oh, yes. What he's referring to is that the sun has been having this solar storm where it's, I think, solar maximum is what they call it. And all these solar flares are happening, which is causing the shift to our tectonic plates, which is causing all the earthquakes and volcano activity. Supposedly. Or allegedly. Whether or not, I'm not a scientist, so I don't know. But the USGS, they're the ones that know about the earthquakes and stuff like that. So a lot smarter people than me know about this stuff. But all I know is that a lot of shaking's been going on. And the Ring of Fire has been lighting up like a Christmas tree. And one thing I do know is that I don't think it would take, I mean, it's already overdue. And then you're putting all this pressure on it. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to see where that's going to go.
Due to the high activity in the sun, they believe this could be causing a lot of movement in our Earth. If you believe that, put a 1. Now, I've also had a lot of people tell me that they have heard, I've been getting DMs, that God is coming back. He's trying to send us warning signs.
Okay, I do believe that God is coming back, but I don't believe that that's what's causing this. But anyway,
in Russia with that 8.8, that something went wrong. There was a massive eruption, and as a result of that, now we are seeing chain reactions from that, an underground nuclear test that went bad. If you believe that, put a 3. And also, I've had a lot of people tell me that...
And no, I don't believe it's the weather-controlled or nuclear testing. I just think that
This is just
natural causes, honestly.
3. This is from an underground nuclear test in Russia that went bad.
Okay, so we're going to skip ahead to the other video. Does he have another video? Oh, there we go. Hold on.
6.0 magnitude earthquake hits El Salvador.
El Salvador, another one.
6.0 earthquake struck El Salvador on Saturday morning, as reported by the U.S. Geological Survey. The quake struck at a depth of 10 kilometers or 6 miles, with its epicenter near Acajutla, El Salvador, and Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. News AZ reports citing foreign media. No damage or casualties were immediately reported, so good news on that. Now, magnitude 6.0 earthquake strikes off the coast of El Salvador, and again, you can see this coming out today. It says El Salvador. A large earthquake struck in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Guatemala and El Salvador Saturday morning, the U.S. Geological Survey reported. The magnitude 6.0 tremor was recorded at 4:14 a.m. at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Its epicenter was 81 kilometers southwest of Acajutla, El Salvador, and 107 kilometers southeast of Puerto San Jose, Guatemala. Now, Acajutla is El Salvador's principal commercial port and is also used by cruise ships. Puerto San Jose is the largest town in Guatemala's Pacific coast. There were no immediate reports of damage.
And that's a good thing, thank God, that there was no damage or reports of casualties.
Now, also, take a look at this.
And
volcano
looks what happened.
A lava fountain, a huge fountain of lava, has sprayed 100 feet into the air in the most recent eruption of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano. Video released by the United States Geological Survey shows Kilauea, located in Hawaii's Big Island, erupting for the 31st time in less than a year, making it one of the world's most active volcanoes. Fresh lava began to spew out of the volcano at about 14:04 local time, or 1:04 BST.
Now, is that a result of the earthquake, or is it just a coincidence? And if it's not a coincidence, then what's going to happen if this keeps up? Yellowstone, Mount St. Helens, could they be next? Terrifying idea, I know.
The volcano's activity is closely monitored, and this new incident did not threaten any homes. So again, more good news on that. Luckily, a lot of the things we've been seeing in the last 24 hours have not been causing damage. Here's more information. Dramatic moment. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano shoots lava.
Okay, and that's pretty much it on the volcano and earthquake erupting and craziness that's been going on. And of course, tonight is the black moon or dark moon or whatever it's called, where the moon disappears from the sky. I don't know what time that's supposed to happen, but that's crazy, creepy, and all that. I know right now I'll go check. Ow. My leg is sore because of the other day when I had a little accident in the kitchen. Yeah, Hold on, guys. I'm working on it. I don't see it. The moon's not up right now, so I don't know where it is. I don't know if that means it's already started or if the moon is just tucked behind some clouds. But I don't currently see it, so there's that. Anyway, guys, I wanted to stop in and say hey, 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 and check out what's been going on with the craziness. The moon, black moon, arising tonight. And, of course, we don't get to see it. Even, our eyes can't see it because it just disappears in view. That's the whole idea of it. And then we got all these volcanoes and earthquakes going off. How long before Yellowstone gets affected? Or Mount St. Helens? That's the question I have. Don't forget, check out Steve Ram. He always has updated news stories. But yeah, don't forget, check him out. Show him the love, give him the like and the subscribe. And don't forget, while you're at it, like and subscribe here. It sends this video out there. But yeah, let's see what happens. And don't forget, we got our spaceship coming towards us. Or comet, or whatever they're thinking it is. Have we decided that they know or they don't know? Does anybody know? All I know is it's a big rock heading towards Earth. And they're telling us that some are telling us it's aliens. Some are telling us it's just a comet. But they will admit that it's a comet with unusual schematics. Let's put it that way. So the comet is indeed unusual. But is it just a comet or is it aliens? Who knows? But I will tell you this. All this craziness. Now, Steve brought up a very good point. People have been questioning what's been going on. Like, is it God? Is it, natural? Is it just craziness because of climate control? Is it because of the sun and the solar storm that's going on? Now, I'm pretty sure we've had solar storms before, and we didn't have all these earthquakes and volcanoes. But again, I'm not an expert. Don't know anything about the whole science of it, the geophysicists or whatever they are. But I do know that I'm pretty positive that we've had solar storms and they didn't cause all this ruckus. That's the only thing. Now, it could be just because of the fact that it's a smaller solar storm, that they've been smaller solar storms and not larger ones like this one is, or so forth. I don't know. Who knows? But then there are those people that believe it's God giving us the warnings of the pending end times, because he did say, look for signs in the sky. Did he mean a blacked out moon and earthquakes? And now in the Bible, it does say that these things would happen before the end times. Does that mean that that's what that is? Who knows? But, I mean, it is a lot that's been happening. A lot. So, maybe. You guys let me know what you think. And don't forget, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And again, check out Steve Ram and his reports. Like and subscribe there. Show him the love. And like and subscribe here. And I will catch you guys on the flip. Oh, and I want to show you. I got me a couple more. Let's see. We got this one. Yep. And he went down. Whoopsie. Got this one. He's new. And he's new. And isn't he pretty? He's new. He's very light blue. And of course we got another white one. And that's it. So we got one new white one. And I almost forgot this little guy. We got him today. He's silly looking. His eyes are all squeezed closed. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Don't forget, like and subscribe here. And peace, love, and happiness and all that. And don't forget, be nice to one another. Life's too short for all this craziness. All these crazy people going out doing all these crazy things. And for what reason? For what reason? What does it give you in the end of the day? Satisfaction? Because it doesn't. It really doesn't. And for all those out there that think it does, here's something that you should think about. Whatever you do on this planet during your time here comes back to you 100-fold. That's a lot, just so you know. So maybe think about that. People don't want to think about, what's going to happen or what could happen, but maybe they should. Maybe not just think about the here and now. Think about the future, too. Anyway, guys, I will catch you on the flip. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.